We're rolling.
Alright, we're rolling. Alright guys, welcome back to Master of None, Falcon Project. I know it's been a long time. I know you guys have been asking for it. So we'll start with where we left off last time. Did repairs on this roof, I believe, if my memory serves me correct. So we repaired this. This was all rusted out. Now, I haven't been slacking off. I have done work, and let me show you what I've done in those wintry months.
It's only just stopped raining now, hasn't it?
It's just stopped raining.
And it's even threatening today. Today was even threatening.
But even it drizzled last night.
Yes.
It was drizzling last night. We should be in summer now. Look, I've done very similar repair on this side to the other side. Basically, this was all gone, so I just cut a patch out and bladed that. That's all I've done on this side. So the biggest thing I've done while you guys weren't watching is I did all that support for the fuel tank cover. That was all rotten out and gone. And a while ago, I've just remade that as best as I could with the time that I had. And also, I remade this because this was all gone on this side. All the rust is on this side on this car. And as far as I'm concerned, the rust repairs are complete.
Alright, let's send it.
The plan is basically go from the door back. We're going to sand it, all this, because this is fiberglass bog that we put on a while ago, and it's held up pretty well. No rust's been coming through it. So basically we want to finish this off, this side, maybe the roof, and just get it primed. So get the tray and this section on both sides just primed, and I'll be happy with that. And also prime the fuel tank space, so then I can put a fuel tank back in there.
Yep.
And put a cover, make up a cover for it, because the cover is over there. It's just totally rotten. Then I can drive the car. I can move the car. It's running on its own fuel. So that'll be nice. And also the fuel tank I've taken out, and it's had a hole in it, which I patched up and welded up, so hopefully now the fuel tank won't leak. And today hoping to just get the tray primed up.
Alright.
So we've got an assortment of tools here. We've got 2 sanders. I've got a whole bag of discs, all kinds of grit. Dust mask, of course, tape. Just bought these sanding blocks to try them out. Have some Bog Turbo and some of these spatula.
Oh, turbo bog.
Turbo, yeah.
Builder's bog.
I know, we're gonna have to turbo it now.
What are we building? Jesus.
A turbo drag car. That's all the supplies I think we're gonna need for today. I mean, this doesn't look like much. This was $100 at Bunnings. Just all this stuff. So
if we were in America, that'd be like, $23.95.
yeah, from the
$24.
Pet guys or whatever their shops over there.
Yeah,
what are they got? Pet boys.
Pet boys.
Pet boys. I don't know what shops they got in the States, but yeah, we've got Bunnings here. That's the only shop we have.
Yeah, that's right.
Alright, so I guess we'll just maybe start taking these off.
Yep.
I don't even know how to take them off. We'll find that out. And then
we'll probably break them off.
Yeah,
I guess.
probably just end up just chiseling them off. Yeah, just trying to get these hooks off. There she goes.
So I'm going to attempt some paintless dent repair?
Yeah. 1-800-paintlessdentrepair.com.au. Actually, doesn't make any sense.
A telephone number with a web address.
Web address. This is my homemade sledge, the pull hammer. Just bent a bit of 10mm or 12mm round bar, welded a butt plate to it, and then just put for the weight just a bit of like 20mm round bar inside a pipe. This is what I had lying around.
Alright.
So we're going to try and just make a bit of old welding rod. Try and get this dent out, which is the biggest dent in the tailgate.
Well, if you get the welding rod and you feed it through, like make like, loop it through.
Yeah. I just gotta get some pliers.
Yeah. And then just like. Oh, yeah, just this one. That hole?
Yeah, it just keeps because of this, I think.
Yeah, it's creased at the
Yeah.
line.
Hang on, where's the? Yeah. There you go.
That'll do.
Contraption. Alright, so we've got all the plastic hooks out. What do you reckon? Just start sanding.
Yeah, I think so.
Start on this side. This is the worst side. Kind of running out of excuses now.
Yeah, that's right. Let's get
Gotta fire up the sander.
let's get dirty.
Yeah. Not a joke, dude. Everything's it's just a joke. Alright, so I'm gonna mix up some.
Is this the turbo bog?
That's the Turbo 2000.
Turbo bog 2000.
Yeah. Just when you thought Bog couldn't get any better.
Turbocharged.
Yeah. Look, any excess Bog will find its place on this car.
Oh, for sure. No wastage on here.
No.
I always put too much.
Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, just a little thin line, I reckon. Yep.
Because I'm always overzealous with the
Yeah,
hardener.
get a bit too keen on the hardener. Yeah, same. Hey!
Hey,
Well, we got the Bog A team now. You haven't missed on much. We basically took those plastic hooks from around the tray.
Yep.
Did a first round of sanding. Got a dent out of the back.
Nice work.
And just doing like a little bit of skin coat on the fiberglass Bog, and then we just hit another round of sanding.
We've got a set of speed file.
Yeah.
oh,
Paper
yeah,
for
that's very good. Yes.
It's like frosting a cake, except better.
Frosting
You get
the 70s Ford.
you get something at the end. That's much diabetes.
I'm just doing this one and then I'm out of here.
Yeah. It's just setting the standard. Yeah, we're gonna have to redo some of the initial Bog we did in the morning because I didn't put enough hardener in and it just wouldn't set, right? So we're not gonna take any chances anymore with the hardener. And a couple of more layers of Bog and she's looking pretty decent.
In inverted commas.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I put too much. See, this is what I do. I put too much, man.
Just kind of have to apply it really quick. Slapping it on. What's Carl doing? Slacking off on the job as usual. Typical. Yeah, I've got confidence in that Bog now. Yeah, look at that, nice and thick, just how we like it around here. Bog confidence. Yeah, it's alright.
It just needs like a skim coat to get rid of all those dents that
Yeah.
some idiot put in there.
Yeah.
That was me.
No, we've got the secret weapon here. Yeah, Bog removed, top rates paid.
Is there a straight spot anywhere on this car? Is there a straight panel?
I'd be very surprised if there was. Maybe the glass. The technology do the work for you. Allow me to introduce the electric sander.
Hey, what is it?
Whoa! It's an Azito. It's the only brand that we trust on this show. The only brand dodgy enough. For this
Don't say
dodgy
that. It's
car.
not dodgy.
No.
We want to.
This sander is more than 10 years old.
Well, there you go.
Just gets like collected on the bottom. It's like real mucky primer. It's just really hard to mix. I make sure I mix it for a couple of minutes, just trying to dig stuff from the bottom, you know, mix it through to see how it's just clumps off.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I know.
We've got a World War II era compressor.
Yeah. Oh, B-52 bomber.
It's got a radial engine as well, look.
Yeah. 3 piston. Yeah.
3 pistons. Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah. What do you reckon?
It's okay. I was holding my breath, so
Yeah.
safety first.
Yeah. smoky coat first, right? Light coat.
Yeah. Could use a house brush or something.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's not that bad, is it? Yeah.
It's alright, mate. Just keep going. Just keep painting.
In. Alright, guys, bit of an update. We pulled the trigger on the white paint. We spent a whole day sanding it, bogging it, sanding it, getting rid of all. Didn't do everything perfect, but we wanted to get everything done one day. So
I guess it's not what it's all about, right? This
Yeah.
is not a perfect build at all.
That's right. We don't want to reveal the plans of the car just yet, but we've got plans for this car, and plans involve timelines.
That's right.
So we can't be perfecting paint jobs, getting everything perfect, every dent out. For one day, I'm happy with that. So we've got the roof done. We actually got more done than what we wanted. I thought we were just going to do primer today, but we did the primer and the primer dried really quick because it's nice and warm. And then we just hit it with a couple of layers of white, and we just held the gun back. So we got that matte finish.
So we've got a matte finish on this baby.
Yeah, we've got a matte finish off the gloss paint. So we just held the gun back and just let it sort of sputter away. And that's pretty hard to see on this side because the sun's on the side, but yeah, it's just a matte, sort of matte finish, and I'm pretty happy with it. You know.
Again, not an automotive finish.
It's
but
not, no. But there's still a lot of work to be done, mechanicals, and time's kind of pushing. So next week we're gonna do the doors. So the doors are a bit iffy. So I actually got new hinges for the doors. We'll probably take the doors off, give them a bit of a rework, go through, get some dents out from these fenders, rub it back and spray the same finish of matte white on the bonnet and the guards and the doors, and we can start putting back together cosmetically. And then after that, there's still a lot of mechanical work that we need to do. So guys, tune in. There's a lot more stuff coming up, and things are going to be ramping up in this project. So peace out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Blah blah blah.
click the bell icon and all that kind of
Click
stuff.
the bell, whatever. If you don't want to do that,
Don't do it. No, if you don't want to do it, forget about it.
Don't do it. Just go away. We don't want to know you. Just
We do want to know you, but you can just not do it.
you cannot do it. Yeah, that's right. Exactly. Pet Boys.
Pet boys.
Pet Boys. I don't know what shops they got in the States, but yeah, we've got Bunnings here. That's the only shop we have.